This is why you need to be prepared for winter's harsh arrival. Environment Canada has issued blizzard warnings for several northern communities, including Cogaaruk, Taloyoak, and Joahaven. A strong low-pressure system is bringing high winds and heavy snow, with gusts up to 90 kilometers per hour, and snowfall accumulations expected to reach 20 centimeters by Saturday morning. This serves as a stark reminder of Canada's vast and varied climate. While the north braces for blizzard conditions, other regions are grappling with heavy rain and potential flooding. Remember, safety first. Stay indoors and avoid travel unless absolutely necessary. For the latest updates, stay tuned to your local weather reports. Winter is here, and it's off to a fierce start. Ensure you have emergency supplies ready, including flashlights, extra batteries, and non-perishable food items. Check on your neighbors, especially the elderly and those with young children, to ensure they are safe and prepared. Local authorities are working to keep roads clear, and emergency services are on standby. Community shelters are also being prepared for those in need. Stay informed by regularly checking weather updates on your smartphone or local news broadcasts. Subscribe to Always Mabel Canada. Click the like button and hit the notification bell to get an alert every time we have a new video.